In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google ads with WhatsApp extension, Google Ads, and WhatsApp extension tips. We're going to connect your Google Ads account with WhatsApp so your ads can trigger chats and send you notifications. This is great for driving instant conversations, especially on mobile. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google Ads account and that you have access to the WhatsApp business number you plan to use. Start by opening Google Ads in your browser. Once you're in the account, look for the Tools and Settings icon at the top of the screen. This is where Google keeps most of the setup and linking options you'll need. Open that menu and choose Data Manager. Data Manager is the central place to connect external data sources and partner integrations that enhance your campaigns. Inside Data Manager, use the Search All field to quickly find what you need. Click into the search bar and type WhatsApp. This filters the available integrations so you don't have to hunt through categories. In the results, locate the option labeled WhatsApp Notifications. This is the official link that enables notifications and makes WhatsApp assets available to your account. Select WhatsApp Notifications, then click Authorize. Authorizing grants permission for Google Ads to communicate with your WhatsApp business setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the connection. Depending on your configuration, you may be asked to verify the business number or confirm admin access. Make sure you're using the correct business profile so conversations and notifications go to the right place. When the authorization completes, you should see the integration marked as connected. If it doesn't update right away, give the page a quick refresh. That's the core setup done. From here, the WhatsApp link enables compatible ad experiences so people can tap and start a conversation directly from your ads and you can receive the related notifications. A few quick tips to get the most from this. Keep your WhatsApp business profile updated with a clear name, logo, and business hours. Prepare a short greeting message to acknowledge new chats and set expectations, and ensure someone is ready to respond promptly, since fast replies significantly improve conversion rates. If you don't see WhatsApp notifications in Data Manager, it may be due to account permissions or regional availability. Check that you're an admin in Google Ads, that your WhatsApp number is active and business verified, and try again later if the option isn't appearing. And that's it. You've connected Google Ads with WhatsApp notifications, paving the way for more direct, high-intent conversations from your ads.